One is like, that's a big fish. They're just stinky.
They're what?
Like, they're just so stinky smelling.
How are you going to be a pro fisherwoman if the fish stink?
I'm going to have a fish caddy.
I'm a caddy.
Like a golf caddy, but I'm going to have a fish caddy that takes them off, you know, the hook, and puts them in the tank, measures them. I'm going to be pro. I'm going to have someone do all the work for me.
I think she might be onto something. A fish caddy. Anyone want to be Babs' fish caddy for the, what are you going to do? Bassmaster Classic 29 probably?
No.
6 years or so to train?
No, I think I could do this in about 3 years. I'll be
3
good
years?
for the next time they come around. I'm going to start Monday.
We're going to start fishing on Monday. All right. Well.
I only have a kayak. No, a paddleboard, actually. I don't even have a boat.
Yeah. All right. Well.
Mark can be my caddy. He could drive the boat, I'll fish.
All right.
He's just got to be quiet. That's the hard part.
Let's go get those fishies. Where's Bryn? Am I missing Bryn? Bryn! How was your first night, Bryn? How was your first hotel stay? Do you have any comments?
So yes, I'm a little stressed out.
Oh, Bryn. So we were a little stressed last night, I think, just with all the noises and the kids running in the hallway. Huh. But we're doing good, I think. For our first hotel stay?
I think she's doing good.
I think she did really good.
She just doesn't know what to expect, and this isn't her little
And
habitat.
the long car ride and just...
And there's a dog kennel next door, so
Yeah.
every time she sees dogs...
Or hears them. Yeah. We're going to wear her down, though, at the soccer field, huh? We're going to run, and we're going to play with our ball, and just have a good old time,
And our skeeker.
You want to go? Okay. Is that a yes or a no? I can't tell. Weather looks fantastic today. I think we will, we just have a little wind to deal with, but temps look perfect, and find some stuff to do. And there's like a theme park. What's it called? King's something?
King's Island.
King's Island? It's kind of like a Six Flags. It's over here somewhere. We'll throw the drone up later and go check it out. See what it looks like. I've heard good things about it. Hey, there's a piece of that water slide over there.
Maybe we can take it home.
We can take
think
that
we
home.
Put it on
Okay, Brandon, we'll see you later. You stay here.
Thought I would bring her baggie.
Whoa. Ooh, it's warm already.
Warmy, baby.
It is at least 10 degrees warmer than when we were first out here and we ain't got coffee. I will take that. It's beautiful. Is mommy not sharing? Okay, well it was nice and clearing off. But this is weird. Like now we've got rain coming in, which there was no rain expected. So like 20-mile-per-hour winds, which is gonna make it miserable to play soccer in, plus rain on top of it now. But at least it's warm. It's like 60s. So you're not getting frostbite. But what you think, Bren?
Then go get your toy.
She's doing better now. She's doing better for her first big travel, you know? So we'll see what the soccer game has, and then we'll go explore a little bit later on after the game, I think. Go find some food. right, well that was interesting. How was that game?
Hey,
So
there was
hard.
Courtney.
So you felt like you were just like in quicksand, you said?
Yeah, I felt like I was like running and going nowhere.
I don't like the goals were flying everywhere. Like a goal on that field
Flipped
just started
over,
flipping
yeah.
over. You missed it when you came back to the car. Reese kicked the ball up. It went straight up and then caught like a gust and just went
Flying
like
to
out of the field like somewhere. So,
Yeah.
all right,
Bryn
well,
was having
Bryn,
way
you
too
okay?
much anxiety for me
Poor, poor little weenie. Oh, I know. You tell him. You tell him. You tell him.
Okay, come on.
Huh? So yeah, little accident on the door back there.
It's okay.
Brinley from the 05s. Her dad dinged Tay's car. So it's all right. It's an accident. It's wind. It happens. Let's go find food. Okay. Babs had these treats out, and Bryn thinks she's a super dog. You think you're a super dog? She jumped from this bed to that bed. We're gonna see if she'll do it again. Bryn, we need to like put a pillow down.
In case.
Just in case. Just in case there's like a default. I think you could do it.
And then walk over towards where Dad is.
You ready?
Yeah. Bryn! Like, I don't know what this gap is, but like if I'm I mean that's
Your legs.
above my waist, whatever that is. So to here. Ben,
We need to put you in some jumping
Hey.
competition.
Pick up this.
give me a paw. Give me a paw.